Hey, what's up guys? Today we're talking about the Benks ArmorGrid iPhone 17 Pro Max case. Benks sent me this. I already tore it out, but I'm going to be showing you guys what they actually sent me. So this is the iPhone 17 Pro Max case. I already put it on. I'm going to be taking it off. Let's take it off. It's really strong. Yeah, and it feels lightweight. It's been strong. So this is the iPhone 17 Pro Max case. Take a look at it. Very slick design. Looks very sleek and very, very nice. So it also comes with this phone grip. Comes in this, and this is the phone grip you can use to like do a lot of things, and it's attached to the back of the case. This case is made with Kevlar. Kevlar is a thread, is a material used in making, high performance stuffs, durable, strong things. That was what was used in making this case. So I'm going to be showing you guys everything about the case, and let's dive into it. Hey, what's up guys? This is the Benks ArmorGrid ArmorAir Case for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So this is the case, looks really good, looks lightweight. Benks sent me this and I'm just doing the review for you guys to let you know how premium this case feels. Like, trust me, this case feels so premium. It also comes with a phone grip you can use to do other things. And yeah, so that's the iPhone 17 Pro Max there. Look at how slick it is. It's the same color with the case, so it's a very, very matching color. If you want to go for the blue case, you want to go for the blue iPhone 17 Pro Max. And just so you know, the case is made from DuPont Kevlar fiber. It's a woven and that has a unique pattern, and it gives it a really, really nice texture. Like, it feels premium without being bulky. Like, that's why I love the case. And that's the MagSafe also. You can use it to like charge, wireless charge, and you can also attach the phone grip to the back over there. And yeah, so me personally, I have used a lot of cases, and most of them, they either look nice, but they don't protect well, or some of them protect well, or they are just too bulky. But you see this Benks case, it feels premium, it feels light, and it actually protects your iPhone 17 Pro Max. It's definitely one of those cases that gives you what you pay for. And it comes with this phone grip that you can attach to the back of the phone. It is magnetic, it's attached to the back, and you can use it to do different kind of things. Like, it's very, very strong. It holds the phone very, very well. It's not going to fall. You can trust it. And yeah, you can use it to, you can use it to even shoot the content. You don't need a tripod if you just want a simple, just want to put it there on the table and shoot a video, or you want to watch Netflix. You can use it to do all those kind of things. You can, take it to whatever position you want it to be, and you can use it to do anything you want to do. So the case is like, it's something like that's worth the price. If you're looking for something slim but tough, this is the one. And yeah, really, really nice. I'm going to put a link in the description whereby you can go get yours. And if you use my discount code ADE15, you get 15% off when you purchase yours. So what are you waiting for? Make sure you go get your case and, try it out. It's good. It's a new iPhone 17 Pro Max case, and I really, really love the case. I've seen plenty creators trying it out. I've seen plenty people using the case, and they actually love it. So make sure you go get yours, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and turn on post notifications to get notified whenever I post any video. Have a good day, and peace out.